How to fix MS Excel app not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you that how you can fix MS Excel app not working problem on your Android phone. So guys, what happened is sometimes our Excel app doesn't open, or the error occurred, unfortunately stop error occurred, and then there are a lot of errors we get in our Excel. So whatever the problem you are facing, whatever the error that has been occurred on your Excel app, it doesn't matter. I'll tell you in this video, you will learn that you will be fixing all the entire problems that you are facing on your Excel app. So guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update, and right now give a thumbs up. That's a request. Now let's begin the tutorial. Okay guys, to fix your MS Excel problem, we have 3 to 4 steps to fix that problem. The very first step is to restart your mobile. Restart your mobile and then check, after restarting phone, check whether your Excel is working or not, whether your problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still occurring, then the second step to follow is go to your Play Store. Okay, go to your Play Store, and from here you have to search Excel. Search Excel and then check whether you have an update or not. If you have an update on your Excel on Play Store, then you have to update it. What happened is sometimes our applications doesn't work properly because of not updating our application. Okay, because in update we have a lot of new feature and we have a lot of new security systems, so that's why we have to update it. If you have an update, then you just have to update it, and after updating, check whether it is working or not, whether your problem is fixed or not. If you have the same problem, then the third step to follow is go to your mobile settings and then scroll up, and then you will get an option manage apps or application manager or app manager or apps. So basically you have to come to the apps, and then from here you have to search whether you have the search option or not. If you don't have the search option, you just search by scrolling it. So I have the search option, so I'll just type Excel. So here is an Excel, and then click on the storage, and then from here you get an option clear data. Just click over it and then click on the clear all data and then click OK. Okay, by clearing the data doesn't mean that you will lose all your files on your Excel. It doesn't mean that. Okay, it will only clear your cache. Okay, so you don't have to worry for that. It will not delete anything, so you don't have to worry for that. And after clearing the data, just restart your mobile once and then check whether it is working or not. If your problem is fixed, that's great, but if your problem remains same, then the last step to follow is go to your mobile settings and then go to about section and then go to system update and then check whether you have an update or not. If you have an Android software update, then you have to update it. Now what happened is, if we have the Android system update and then they have applications update and security system, then our some of the application doesn't work properly. So in that case you have to update your Android software, and after updating it, just check it out. You will see that your problem is fixed. So these are the solution. But guys, if you are facing some kind of unusual errors on your Excel app, then I suggest you to go to Microsoft.com, and then from there you have to report your problem, and then the team of Microsoft will fix your problem. They will go through to your problem and then they will fix it. So this is how you can fix it. I hope this video definitely helps you. Thanks for watching.